So if you saw the service video to this, it's a boxed York 861. So immaculate condition. We've got the factory original mic in there, which we haven't tried yet, but I will do when Mr. Chippie gets to the 5 mile point. So we'll go to Mega Chippie channel and we'll see whether he's there. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger Dodger, I'm ready.
Roger that, so off we go then.
Roger, when I pick the mic up off the floor.
Have you done your speaker?
Roger, I have, yeah.
Roger that. Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio there's no tone control.
Roger that. Out of interest, nobody at doggy daycare today.
Roger, I think we're going to knock it up a channel, there's interference.
Roger, go.
Roger. Tango 2132. Tango 2132.
Yep, roger that, just come up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you the end of the lane.
Roger.
First, nobody at doggy daycare today.
Roger, I think we're going to knock it up a channel, there's interference.
Passing Ancaster service station. I think it's open, but the display's still garbled.
Roger on that, it's going to get the petrol station.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Passing the top of the hill as we go down towards Wilsford.
Roger, I've got interference again with this. Can you try 2929?
Roger, 29.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21 receiving. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a York JCB861 from 1981. Using the Cybernet 124 chassis. It's full forward down towards the cross standard replacement line over.
Yep, roger that, all received, no problems. crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wolfsford level crossing.
Roger that.
When David came today, he had an idea. He said, when there's no traffic around, you're going over one of the level crossings, go over really, really slowly to see when the signal comes up with your transmission. So just as you transmission going over the level crossing, and see whether all that metal helps your ground plane with that bit when you go over it there.
Alright, yeah, fair enough. Yeah, I couldn't do it today, too much traffic, but yeah, I'll give that, try and give that a thought another time.
Yeah, it's like when you go over a bridge and there's a big expanse of water, like you've got that bridge over the River Trent on the A1, and if I'm talking to you on the TV, the signal comes right up as you go over that.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're passing the Kelby turn.
Which is the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point, so on this York 81. I'm on the standard replacement bike, doing 4 watt output, showing 1.1 amps. In a drop to low power, I'm setting to 400 milliwatts. Here goes 54321. There we are, back on full power. Now I'm going to swap to the factory original mic as I haven't tested yet. Straight out of the box.
Yep, roger that. No problems on full power. Low power, very noisy. I could just about tell what you were saying.
Okay. And the 21 now on the factory original mic, over.
Yep, roger that. Can't really tell any difference between that and the standard replacement.
Good. I'll see you. I'll carry on with this mic.
Yep, roger that. Alright, we're on the move again.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rollsby level crossing. Over. Yep, the usual 136.9, 142.7.
Roger on that. That was absolutely great. Thank you. Attention.
Yep, roger that. 1010.
Rollsby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rollsby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end today, please? Over. Roger on that. That was absolutely great. Thank you, 1010.
Yep, roger that. 1010.
Okay, what more can you say? It works great. Receiver was 0.32 microvolts. So it exceeds the manufacturer's specification, but that one we did yesterday, the Rotel 230, was just bonkers. It was so good. Right, we'll go over to our base station, which uses the same chassis, and see what that sounds like on both mics.
Target 21, set to the York 861 in Tom Midland, 76900 base station. So we're on the original factory microphone, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pop it on low power for hand test. There we go on the hand test, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back to full power. And then we'll just try the comparison with the standard replacement mic. And here we are with the standard replacement mic, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the next video will be York 863, same customer, another boxed immaculate set. So thanks for watching York 861 from 1981 using the Cybernet 134 chassis.